Well, this is a little demitasse espresso coffee can or coffee cup and saucer made under the St Michael branding, probably end of the last century, because I haven't used that particular branding for some time. Beautifully decorated with these very stylized pink poppies with the green under decoration. And let me show you the china marks. Dishwasher and microwave safe, made in the UK, so probably Staffordshire, manufactured under license for exclusive sale through the Marks and Spencer's homeware outlets during that period when they were quite big on the high street. Nice little saucer plate, central can well, very clean, hardly a mark on it, and the decoration again in beautiful condition, matching St Michael period green marks. All the dimensions are on the website. Very pretty little thing. If you're looking for something to have your morning coffee out of, wouldn't go wrong with this, and very robust as well, being able to go in dishwashers, microwaves, etc. So very practical piece of relatively modern, coming up vintage English china. Thanks for watching.